Hello everyone, welcome to Tenorshare channel. As we all know, you have many ways to back up data on your iPhone. But when you restore the backup in iTunes, there will usually be a pop-up window saying not enough space to restore iPhone backup, or even stuck on the Apple logo interface, making the phone unable to restore data. This may be caused by many reasons. Next, I will help you figure out the reasons for this and help you solve it. Let's take a look. Part 1, Pop-up window reason why. 1. The data has not been cleaned. After the phone is reset, the data is not completely cleaned, and such a pop-up window may appear. We can reset it again and perform in-depth data cleaning. Open Settings. Find General. Swipe down and click Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click Erase all contents and setting. Continue to confirm your choice. After the reset is completed, use iTunes to restore the backup. 2. iTunes needs to be updated. Before trying to restore the backup again, you can open iTunes, find Help in the menu bar, and click Check for updates to check whether your iTunes is the latest version. In addition, if your phone storage does not match the backup memory, it is the direct cause of this pop-up window. Since iTunes cannot selectively restore part of the backup, if you do not plan to buy a new phone, you can use iCareFone to help you selectively restore the backup data. I will talk about it in the third part. Now, let's make sure the phone is restored to normal. Part 2. Fix iPhone stuck after restore backup fail. If the iPhone is stuck on the Apple logo or freezes during the process of restoring the backup with iTunes, we can use Hard Reset your iPhone to fix this problem. You just need to press the volume up button, then quickly press the volume down button, and then hold the power button until the Apple logo appears. Wait for the hard reset to end, and you can try to restore the backup again. Part 3. Restore iTunes backup with Tenorshare iCareFone. If iTunes still cannot restore the backup after eliminating the above reasons, or your phone storage cannot fully accommodate the iTunes data to be restored, then we can consider using iCareFone to restore the backup. iCareFone can synchronize the backup on iTunes and restore data selectively, which can solve the problem of mismatch between mobile phone storage and backup. You can find the link below the video. If your phone has been reset, you can enter the data transfer interface during the reset process. Click from Mac or PC to transfer data, or you can transfer from the home page. Even if you do not choose to reset your phone, you can still use iCareFone to selectively restore the backup. Connect your phone to the computer with a data cable. Open iCareFone. Click Backup and Restore. Select the iPhone with the iTunes icon and click View to view the data synchronized with iTunes. Click Restore to Device to restore your data. Confirm your choice. Wait patiently for the restoration of the backup to complete. Then your phone data is restored successfully. It is worth mentioning that iCareFone also has the function of photo transfer, and you can view the backup data on your computer, which is something that iTunes Backup cannot do. I recommend that you use iCareFone for data transfer and backup. It is safer and more stable and can perform selective backup. Well, that's all about the not enough space to restore iPhone backup window popping up when iTunes restores the backup. If this video is helpful to you, please be sure to subscribe to support us. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you soon.